Hello everyone, I'll walk you through the most effective tips, tricks and settings to boost your system speed and performance. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right in. Let's begin with Storage Sense. First, right-click on the Start menu icon, click on Settings. Navigate to System, now scroll down and then click on Storage. Scroll down again and make sure Storage Sense is toggled on. Storage Sense automatically clears junk files, temporary data and clutter that slow down your PC over time. Click on Cleanup Recommendations. Then go to See Advanced Options. Check all boxes except Downloads. Now click on Remove Files. This will instantly clear up some space on your C drive and make Windows smoother. Next, let's adjust privacy settings to reduce background activity. Right-click on the Start menu icon once more and click on Settings. Now on the left pane, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Then you click on General. Disable all the toggles here. These options track usage for personalized ads and data collection. Turning them off reduces background load. Now head back and click on Speech. Turn off online speech recognition, that is if you are not using it. Then head back again, scroll down and click on Inking and Typing Personalization. Toggle this off. Head back again and click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Disable Send Optional Diagnostic Data unless you are in the Microsoft Insider program. This helps reduces unnecessary data sharing and system processes running in the background. Next, let's manage app permissions. Again, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and then head to App Permissions. Let's begin with location. Turn location off if you are not using maps or location services. Next is camera. Disable if you don't use video calls or webcam. You can continue by disabling permission for apps like microphone, messaging, contacts, phone calls, emails, and etc. Disable access for unused apps. For the next step, let's disable annoying system notifications. Under Settings, click on System. Then you click on Notifications. Scroll down and then click on Additional Settings. Make sure Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows is unchecked. This removes ads and pop-ups in the user interface. Next, let's uninstall unused apps. Under Settings, click on Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall any apps you don't use. Many systems come bloated with pre-installed software. Removing them will free up memory and improve responsiveness. If you want to uninstall an application, just click on the three dots beside the application and click on Uninstall. Next, let's disable unwanted startup programs. Under Settings, click on Apps. Now scroll down and then click on Startup. Then head up and click on Sort By. Choose Status. Go ahead and disable everything except your antivirus. This prevents unnecessary apps from running every time your computer boots up, reducing startup time. Next, let's optimize visual effects. Press on the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type sysdm.cpl. Then you click on OK. This will open the System Properties window. Click on Advanced and under Performance, click on Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. Then manually enable a few essential visual features so Windows doesn't look ugly. Once you are done, click on Apply, then click on OK. For this step, let's disable Xbox Game Bar if not gaming. If you don't game or record, go to Settings and then click on Gaming on the left pane. Click on Game Bar. Turn it off to free up system resources. If you are a gamer or use it for screen capture, you can leave it enabled. For this step, let's disable unnecessary Windows services. Click on the Windows search icon. Type Services. Click on it to launch it. Now disable these services if you don't use them. First is the Download Maps Manager. If you don't use map apps, right-click on the Download Maps Manager and then click on Properties. Under Status Type, click on it and then choose Disabled. Then click on Apply, then hit OK. Do the same for the rest of the services. Next is Hyper-V. This service is only needed for virtual machines. If you don't use any virtual machine on your PC or laptop, turn this service off. Next is IP Helper. Disable only if you don't use IPv6. Next is Windows Image Acquisition. Disable this service. Last but not the least, Geolocation Service. Disable if you are not using location-based apps. Lastly, Print Spooler. Many YouTube tutorials tells you to disable this service. Disabling this service will prevent you from saving files as PDF. That is if you use print to PDF. Many programs rely on this service, so make sure it is toggled on or left on. Lastly, clear temp and cache files to free up space. You can free up space by deleting temporary files. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type temp, then you click on OK. select all the files and then click on delete. When you get this prompt, check do this for all current items, then click on skip. Again, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type %temp %, then you press enter on your keyboard. Again, select all the files and then click on delete. Check do this for all current items, then click on skip. That's the end of this tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future optimization videos. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.